What if instead of asking Claude how to create an expense report, Claude just opens your recipient folders, read all your documents, photos with a vision, build the Excel file with the formulas, categorize and hand it back to you, which is ready to just to submit. You have seen Claude Code in a terminal, but what we are talking is like called Claude Cowork. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how exactly it works step by step, so you can set it up today and you can start using Claude Cowork, which is like Cloud 2.0. If you have not seen Cowork, this is how it will look like. You can see on the top I'm in Cowork. Usually if you're in normal Cloud Code desktop app, you only have a chat. Right now we have Cowork tab, and you can do a lot of things from your Cloud app. This is not part of your Cloud Code terminal. This should be part of your Cloud Code desktop app, which could be installed on Mac or on Windows, and I'm going to help you on that. So what is Claude Cowork, right? Cowork is Anthropic's desktop app available right now for Mac and Windows, as I said, and it brings the cloud's full agentic power for everyday knowledge work. Think about, you are not a developer, you are from a marketing, or you are like a salesperson who want to do a lot of reporting, right? Or you want to do a lot of analysis, create documents, and CloudWork is a best solution for that. You can describe what you want to do, like an outcome, and the brain of the cloud, which is like Sonnet or the LLM model. It's do all the steps, it executes everything, it create the files, or it can create the presentation documents. It can create your minutes, you can go and check your calendar, it can give you like a morning coffee kind of information by describing everything. So it's more, it's like a complete solution for your like agentic flow, where you just describe what you want, and Cloud Cowork will do rest of everything. So you know like Cloud Code, which is more for your coding, and Cloud Cowork, it is for rest of everything else. So not just for developers, for everyone. The difference between Cowork and your regular chats, right, which we have seen in multiple cases, where you do a chat with Cloud or ChatGPT or anything, you have to manually provide the informations, or you have to ask for giving instructions, right? Here you can even schedule tasks, you can give set of instructions like a parallel task, and then it can just run basically on your desktop. It's like a recurring scheduled task, and a lot of things you can do. You will jump into that directly. The first step is like you need to get your app installed. So it's not the same as your Cloud Code CLI. So you need to go to cloud.com, download, and you have to download the app. So if you go to cloud.com, download your app, which is a Mac or Windows, or if it's an ARM based Windows. So once you install it, you will get to this stage, where usually you will have the chat, which is like a normal cloud chat. But you will have this tab. If you don't see it, just exit from the app and re-log in again. It takes a couple of minutes because it need a backend virtual machines to run, so it will take some time for that to set up. So you will have 3 tabs like chat, cowork, and the code, right? That will be the case once you install. Maybe you don't get it directly, but you need to also have the plan. You need to have a subscription with Anthropic, so you have to have like a pro plan or max or team or enterprise, and once you have that, once you log in with that account, then you should be able to see Cowork. So it's included in pro or max or team. So if you are on free plan, if you are not have a cloud Anthropic account, or if you're not paying for that, then you don't see Cowork. So what is the UI layout? So this is how the layout will look like. So on the left side you will have scheduled tasks, and you can grant folder access. On the center you will have the current task which is running, or you can schedule the work. On the right side you should be able to see the progress, and the progress panel will show like how the cloud is taking real-time artifacts and creating. You can click previews. You can also have a lot of other things in it. Let me show you in the app directly. So this is the UI. As I was saying, if you click on new chat, it's normally the normal chat like a chat GPT or any Gemini or something like that. Then you have the Cowork, right? Once you click on Cowork, then you can see you can select your working directory. You can set up, what kind of task you want to do, like optimize my week, or you can customize it. You can define which LLM model you want to run, right? And you also have like scheduled here, and you can create new tasks which can be scheduled, which can be like on specific hourly basis, or you can do it using manually. You have also more options like using which kind of model you want to select and which folder it has to run. Then you also have customization, where you can use skills. These skills are coming from my direct cloud code, and if you have other skills you can also do integration. And you can also see like connectors. You can connect to GitHub, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, right? And you also have plugins. You can install a lot of other plugins which you can connect, and you can use that for connecting to different other applications. So the plugins are like, it can give you a set of tasks. It's almost like a extended version of skills, where it can help you to do some activities with ready to use kind of workflows. And you can also create some of your own plugins over here. Main thing is like, connect to your different connectors. Then you can continue doing all those activities just by simply scheduling some tasks, or just asking Claude Cowork to do it. So you can see on the left side we have these things. On the middle you will see what the Claude Cowork is doing. On the right side you will have the progress, right? You can see what it's doing, and what the instruction is using, what the context is doing, right? You can see the whole stuff it's doing on the middle. So you can see it's even scanning the image to find any receipt photos. I don't have anything receipt. I think it's more some other pictures, but you can see I checked the image in download, but I don't see any receipt. So this is why it doesn't get this Excel sheet. But if you have some expense report or something, you can simply say Cloud to do this, and it will can do everything. I can ask something else, like, can you organize my this folder? So let's ask that, so it can organize my download folder with different ways, like it have pictures, it have documents. So let's see what it does. So you can see it's looking from previous look. Before let me ask you a few questions, right? It's already looked. Now it's asked like, do you want to organize by file, by topic, by date, or something like that, right? So I can just select by file, then move to installer folders, leave them where they are, or flag them. I will just select, so it can do create a new folder and move the .exes into it. So super simple, right? You don't have to do any of these things manually anymore. Just ask Claude Cowork, and you can do this in, as I said, do some scheduled task, and schedule it. Like if you want to do this every week, looking at what's there, just schedule it, and it will do automatically for you. Now you can see it's giving the progress, like scanning, then creating the category folders. Then once it's done, I think it's moving the files into folders. Super great, right? It has completed the whole stuff, and it says like done, and it has created multiple folders, and it has moved those files into different sections, right? Images to that, installers, videos, documents, archives, and this is how it looks now. So you can see previously it was super messy. Now it has created different folders, and it has moved all the files and organized it. Super cool, right? And as I said, you can simply do things like create a new task. You can ask like, okay, daily briefing, look at my look at summarize my emails and calendar invite. So you can say check my Gmail and Google Calendar and summarize the activities for today. And you can set this like every daily. You can set for like you want to set it for 9 a.m. Just set it, if you want to run it on some specific model, use that and select, I will use my download, just allow. Then I'm just going to click on save. Now you can see it has created this schedule task which will summarize my email, and it will run every day, right? And please note that this will only run when your computer is awake, if you select these options. Otherwise, I think it can run even without that, if it's able to connect it to your Gmail offline. If there are some files locally on your machine, I think it won't be able to do it. So this will run, and you can also run manually by clicking on run. I don't have my connections. If you see my connectors, I have not connected to your Gmail, Google Calendar, or anything. What you could do is simply go to your click on this. It will ask you to click on connect, which will take you actually to your cloud login. So you need to log into your cloud account, then you need to configure your um, connection. So we just seen like organizing and synthesizing like a number of files, right? I showed you like we just ask Claude Cowork to categorize the files and rename them, or consistently create synthesis document key, or you give the context and it will run multiple agents parallelly. Like the agent 1 will categorize, the agent 2 can rename, and the main synthesizer. I already showed you like how we did the complete restructuring of the folders and creating the separate sections. The same way, if you have a connection to Excels or PowerPoint, you can simply ask to read some PowerPoint or Excel, and it can create you complete output from your Excel sheet or Google Workspace, or Google Sheet, or whatever you want. So this will be completely useful for people who want to use outside of like coding, right? You can set up schedule tasks, as I said, like automating recurring work, like set up like some daily 7 a.m. morning brief, or some weekly report, or nightly meeting prep, but you give the context what it has to read. So you also have the extensions for cloud. You can install in Chrome, or you can connect with MCPs, like Slack or other things, as usual, like Cloud Code. Some quick pro tip is like never grant the whole your C drive permission or something. Create some dedicated folder and grant the permission for that, and describe the outcome, not the process. Instead of saying that read file A, do B, something like that, you tell that what exactly you want to know. Like, I want to summarize content, or I want reorganizing the folder, or something like that. Write rich global instructions. So you're give like your job title, what you are, like say that as part of a marketing team, I would like to do this, or I'm part of sales engineers, I want to do this. Use schedule for repetitive tasks. You don't have to do every time manually. Just create a scheduled task, as I showed you, just then it will keep running safely. So as I said, what you need to know, what cloud can't do, like give only specific folder access, don't give root access, right? It can you don't want to mess up everything. It's an AI, so set some permission, ask for permission before deleting the files, right? Set those configurations. So, and let the restrictions for not to install any software by cloud itself, right? So unless it's asked for permissions. And how to get access for cloud, right? As I said, you need to have at least the pro plan with the cloud code, or Anthropic. So it's worth to pay $20 because you can really make use of cloud code and Claude Cowork. And if you want to use too much, you can go for max plan. So it's up to you. Just have a look on. I don't ask for a free option for this. This is really useful even if you pay for this money. Super great. So that was your Claude Cowork demo with which is like a Cloud 2.0, right? It has super useful features. And now I want to hear from you what you are going to do with Cloud Cowork. Drop a comment into the comment section. What's your first repetitive task you are going to automate? And I read every single one of the comment, and you can expect a reply from me. Hit the subscribe button if this helped you, and if it's have save some time for you. Check the video. Check my channel for more other videos, how to build apps using Cloud Code and other DevOps videos. And see you next time. And looking forward to be sharing more videos. So thank you for watching.